Day 2. It's raining, so hopefully it's gonna be even easier to remove the grass. Dre's over here getting the grass and put it and patch it up some areas that need a patching. What you doing with the grass, sir? Feeling? See, look at that. Oh, some muddy spots. Oh. All right. It's the... Mm. It's okay. He said I went too deep. I probably did go too deep. This is mine. It's raining outside. Put the seed down. Let it grow everywhere else. He helping me. I started it and now he wants to take over. I told you I'm looking for projects. We can't see what Daddy's doing. He's doing a good job. So this is gonna be small. That's it. And then after I get the hang of it, I'll expand. But right now we're just gonna start with this much. So I just need to do this hopefully by the end of today. By today. It's harder than I thought. But I think I'm going way too deep. But I'm actually getting it done. I just love being able to start something and finish something. I may not always finish something all the time, but I do love when I start and accomplish it. And that's what we're going to do today. Almost done. I'll show you what I have left. That's all I have left. And I'm done. I got the grass here. It will be repurposed. But that's all I have left. So I'm going to knock it out real quick. I'm done. Removing the grass. The mud was the heaviest and that made it hard to lift. I feel like I did a workout. But it was fun. Tomorrow we'll deal with the rest, with the grass outside. And hopefully it may not rain tomorrow so I can actually now plow it. And that's the work. Day 2 completed.